Good afternoon. We're back in Sikeston with Bart Grant of Grant Financial Management. Bart, there's a buzzword out there I know when people look at investing, and it's IPO. What exactly does that mean?
So an IPO is initial public offering, and the reason why it's a buzzword here in the last few weeks is because Lyft, the ride-sharing company, has just went public. And should that be good for investors? Well, that's only good for real aggressive investors. That's somebody that's willing to take a lot of risk. The reason is because just like in Lyft's case, that came out at $72 a share, immediately went up to $80, but now it's down to $60 a share in just a matter of a week. So, something like that is really needs to be for an aggressive investor that can tolerate that kind of swing in an IPO. Usually I tell people, let's wait a little while, see how things work out, see what they start to do before you get into it.
But definitely it's something that if you do get into, don't follow it daily. Just kind of sit in there and let it breathe.
That's correct. And another stock that just had an IPO yesterday was Levi Strauss. So, that company is actually making money, and that could be a potential for a more conservative type of investors as opposed to a high-tech company that's losing money, because Levi Strauss has a history of actually making money. And one of their markets that they're trying to target is obviously China.
Perfect. Great information. For much more, log on to grantfinancialmanagement.com or check out the Heartland Expert page at KFES12.com.